Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool strip diagram, specifically equal groups. We are working with a problem related to TEKS 3.4J, and we'll do it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we have a bakery that's making 56 cookies. We're putting 8 cookies in a box, and we need to find an equation that finds the total number of boxes. Well, there are a few things here that let us know that we're dealing with an equal group problem. One thing that's always going to be our clue is that something lets us know that we're dealing with equal groups or the same in each group. And so it's going to be in this second sentence here. The baker puts 8 cookies in each box. So they don't say the same number in each box, but they tell us there's 8 in each box. So in each box lets us know that we're dealing with equal groups, and that's helpful because once we know that we have the same number in each group, in this case, 8 cookies in each box, this gives us a signal that we're dealing with an equal groups problem, which means we are either going to multiply or divide. And it depends on whether or not we have the total. So the total is how many total cookies there are. Well, in this case, it looks like we have 56 cookies. So that lets us know that we have the total. So when we have the total, that means that we are going to be using division because we already have the total. We need to find either the number of groups or the number in each group. If we don't have the total, that means we would be using multiplication. Now, we have two of our four items that we need, equal groups, and the total. We either need the number of groups or the number in each group. Well, go back to the second sentence. They already told us the number in each group. Inside each of these boxes, which are going to be a group, we have 8 cookies. So 8 cookies. So this is our number in each group. All right, so we have everything we need. Because if we have the number in each group, that means what we're missing is the number of groups. Now, this bullet point here says the baker put all the cookies into the boxes. All right, so there's nothing left over. So we have to use all 56 because you could just make 2 boxes and use 16 cookies, but we have to use all 56. So that's helpful. And which equation can be used to find the total number of boxes? All right, remember our boxes are going to be our groups. So we don't know the number of groups. We know that there are 56 cookies. There are 8 cookies, or 8 in each group. We just don't know how many groups or boxes there are. Well, let's draw a strip diagram. Now remember, we can make the strip diagram in multiple ways. We can put our total across the top. We can put our total across the bottom. Sometimes it's a part of the strip diagram as another layer or bar. Sometimes it's a line, like a number line, all the way across. I'm going to put it across the top, and I'm going to say I've got 56 like this. Now, when you don't know the number of groups, you can't draw a second bar underneath and split it up into number of groups because I don't know how many groups there are. So there's a special way that we draw a strip diagram when we know that the number in each group, in this case, is 8. I just don't know how many 8s go into 56. So if we wanted to represent this with a strip diagram, we would do it like this. We would draw an arrow and a question mark. And what that lets us know is how many 8s go into 56? That's the question. We don't know whether it's 2 8s, 3 8s, 4 8s. So let's get 8 times my unknown equals 56. I can get my unknown using the commutative property times 8 equals 56. And I can make two division problems, which is going to be more helpful. 56 divided by my unknown is 8. And then 56 divided by 8. Those are the four equations I can get from that. Is that 56 divided by 8? That is going to be what's helpful. So my answer is C.